Good morning, guys. Babe, do you want smoothie?
Sorry?
Smoothie.
Smoothie?
Yep.
Yes, please.
You want smoothie?
Yeah,
Okay. I thought you heard me wrong. Good morning. I'm wearing my new glasses from Firmo. Firmo? I think Firmo kasi dalawang oo. And it's Monday, guys. Matagal na din ako hindi naka-vlog ng Monday. Ilang days ako hindi nag-vlog ng weekdays. Kasi, basta may mga pangyayari sa buhay-buhay na parang hindi kayang mag-vlog talaga. Anyway, I'm back vlogging. I will have Dan drive today para makapag-vlog ako sa sasakyan. And, smoothie. So, in 20 minutes, we will leave na iba kasi yung schedule ko. So, my week na we started 7:30 and then last week we started at 8:30, which is para sa akin normal. Kasi siguro 4 weeks kaming nag 8:30. So, para sa akin yun yung normal ko and I like 8:30. Pero, again, merong 1 week na we started 7:30. I had to wake up really early in the morning. Tapos si Dan din, he had to wake up early. Ang swerte-swerte ko kasi meron akong Danny Boy na hinahatid at sinusundo ako araw-araw, guys. Like, hindi pa ako nakatry mag-bus and hala, wala kaming spinach. I will be wearing this long cardigan. It's cold again. We will have champurrado mamayang gabi. Prepare na nila. Champurrado for the win. Ito, from White King. Isa na lang natara because we had champurrado last week as well, one night. And yeah. So, sugar, yep, kailangan. This sugar, babe, the one that we got yesterday, it's like finely milled.
Okay.
Doesn't look like regular sugar.
Nah, it's still sugar.
It is still sugar, yeah. But, just saying, but. You want coffee?
Nah.
Wala siyang tumbler. We need to buy you a new tumbler. Itong tumbler na binili ko, nahul ko pa nga ito eh. Binili ko sa Kmart. Binili namin sa Kmart. Ano, may leak. Ito oh. Nakakaloka. Huwag to, guys. Kasi ito, this was like $15 was it, babe? Or 10? And kung Kmart yan, para sa akin, mahal na yun. Pag umabot ng $10, galing Kmart, parang mahal. Mahal yan, ha? Yun. Kaloka. Nasira agad. Yung glasses ko malaki siya, pero masasanay rin ako dito. Mas malaki naman yung isa. Ito, malaki siya. Thick yung ganito niya. Tapos malaki siya dito. Sana dito lang siya, no? Pero okay lang yan. Oh, on my lips, I have the Soft Touch Auto Lip Liner. Ito from Etude House. This one is in the shade. Hindi ko alam. Number 5 ata or 7505. Merong number 5 dito, merong 7505 dito. Yan yung color niya. Gusto ko siya. Hindi siya like super dark, pero it's definitely on the like mauvey na darker side na pagka-mauve. I like it. Hala, babe, kailangan ko pala ilipat yung mga stuff ko from my backpack. Where's my backpack? Hi guys, alam niyo ba nag-order ako ng ring light? Tagal ko na gusto magka-ring light, kaya lang ayokong bumili ng ring light kasi ang mahal. Like, pinakamura ha, na nakita ko dun, $114. And kapag mga ganyan, sabi ko, hindi ko naman kailangan. So, sobrang tagal na ha. Ilang years na ako sa YouTube, hindi pa ako nakakabili ng ring light. And usually, sa mga nag-YouTube, yan talaga yung unang binibili nila yung ring light. Yung ako, walay. Walay. Pero naka-order na ako and I received it actually. Pinapasend ko yung mga packages ko sa office na. Kasi kapag dito, if napapansin nyo guys sa vlogs, lagi kami pumupunta sa post office. Kasi walang tao dito lagi. So, pumupunta dito yung nagde-deliver tapos walang tao. So, binabalik nila sa post office. Then, we have to pick it up sa post office. Hiningal ako doon. Naglakad lang ako sa hallway. Hiningal na ako agad. Meron ako na-receive na 2 packages. And sure ako na ring light ko yung isa. Tapos yung isa maliit na box. I think that one is from Sophie. And yun, excited na ako. Kaya lang binalik ko siya sa basement kung saan yung mga packages namin sinisend. Kasi sinundo ako na Dan. Tapos yung sasakyan niya, pinark niya sa malayo. Tapos malaki kasi yung box ng ring light. Feeling ko talaga ring light yun eh. Kasi nakita ko na din na na-ship na siya or delivered na siya. So yun, binalik ko siya doon. Sabi ko, babalikan ko na lang sa Monday kasi walang sasakyan. Tapos nag-stop pa kami ng Randall Mall noon. And ayaw naman na dala namin yung malaking box. So yun, I had to return it. Pero I will get it today. Excited na ako sa aking ring light. Ililipat ko lang yung mga stuff ko sa backpack ko dito sa bag na to. Kasi siya yung pang Monday to Thursday na bag ko. Naka-what's in my bag na ako sa bag na yan last year. And naka-what's in my backpack na din ako. It's dark. It's only 5:26. Hi guys! We're heading home and Advic, my workmate's son, gave me cookies. He's so sweet. You know what she said? She's like, I have cookies for you because my son asked me to give it to you. I was like, Mom, give this to Ray tomorrow, okay? I was like, oh, that's so sweet.
Have you met the kid?
No, I haven't met him.
Ah.
Yeah, but she watches my videos.
Ah.
So the son saw her watching my videos, plus like she talks to her son about me as well, like about work and like, you know. Yeah, so she's like, give this to Ray. And he gave me cookies, 2 cookies, and he made this at school.
Cool.
Yeah, so he gave his mom cookies during Mother's Day, and she's like, this is for you, and this is for Ray. How sweet is that? You wanna try, babe?
Sure.
It's good. It's plain, which I like. I like plain stuff. But I'm pretty sure you will like it as well. He's so sweet. He's like, give the big piece to Ray. And then she gave me 2 pieces.
Oh, good.
A kid made this. How good is that? How sweet is he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum. And then I have leftover from lunch. Sunta. From Sunta. I didn't finish it. Salad, guys. I'm a healthy person. Salad pero merong pork with crackling. It's good though. I can't finish it. Do you want to finish my salad?
Yeah.
So you will have my salad and we will have dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good mini. It's great. Oops. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga because I ended up driving. What do you want?
There's heaps left.
I know. It's alright. It's yours. Do you want that for dinner?
I don't have chicken still.
Wow, okay.
I'll go for a run first.
Yeah. He's been running! Good job, babe. We're home! We stopped by sa shops para bumili ng plano sana ni Dan mag-chicken kami tonight, yung roasted chickens. Tapos gusto niya mag-chicken na naman bukas. So sabi ko, wag tayo mag-chicken today. Mag-eggs tayo. Wait, check natin kung meron tayong eggs. Yep, meron tayong 6. So, gusto ko magluto ng eggs, scrambled egg na merong tomato, tapos bacon, and then onions, and then lalagyan ko siya ng cream. And then si Dan nakakita ng kapag mayroon talagang chocolate, guys. Yan ako. On sale. 49 cents na lang siya, Oreo na parang egg. So, bumili siya ng 3. Sabi niya, hindi daw para sa kanya, para sa mga pamangkin niya. So, 3 na. 3 na ngayon. Kasi noon, 2 lang lagi. Kasi yung isa, maliit pa. Pero, during Easter, kumakain na siya ng chocolate. Tapos, napopronounce na niya yung word na chocolate. So, sali na siya sa mga ganyan-ganyan. And, si Dan tatakbo. Oh, guys! I will unbox my ring light. Yes, I can't wait. Yung ring light ko, binili ko sa AliExpress. Free shipping siya. And as I mentioned earlier, $114. So, wait. Magaganda naman yung reviews ng ring light na to. Tapos, meron na din siyang stand. Kaya ito yung pinili ko. Kasi yung iba, ring light na talaga, walang stand. Is it raining? Tatakbo pa naman si Donnie Boy. Na hindi umuulan, parang meron na tumutunog-tunog. Tumutunog-tunog! Hala, ito na nga, guys. Ito na nga yun. My goodness. Oh, this is it. This is it. Pansit. Ay, ang bongga naman ng kanyang pakarap. So, nirap siya ng ganito. Wait. Dear buyer, thank you for your purchase. Let's exchange positive feedback and hope you can give us 5 stars rating. So, ganito yung, oh my gosh! Ring light! I have a freaking ring light. Hindi na ako masyado na-film ng sit-down videos. Ngayon pa ako nagka-ring light. Buhay nga naman. Hindi ko kasi talaga ma-justify na bilhin siya noon, guys. Sabi ko, okay naman yung lighting ko. Wala namang problema. Lagi kong sinasabi. Pero gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng ring light. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. So, meron siyang mga ano sa loob, styrofoam sa loob. Para to keep the bulb na hindi mag-move during shipping. So, that's good. Akala ko, meron siyang takip. Ito na yung bulb. Wala siyang takip. I don't think merong kasamang takip dito. Pero that's alright. I'm pretty sure dimmable to. Dimmable. So, na-adjust mo yung ano niya. Brightness. Charot. Okay, tanggalin ko lang to lahat. Ay guys, alam niyo ba? Nanood ako ng Second Chance kagabi. Tinapos ko talaga yung movie. As in, iyak ako ng iyak. Grabe. Sabi ko, pagkatapos talaga ng movie, minahal ko ng bongga si Dan. Babe? Did you hear what I said?
What's that?
I said after I watched the movie, I loved you more.
You what, sir?
I loved you more.
You love me more?
Yeah.
Ah.
I was like, Dan is so good to me.
Yeah.
You are. Babe, I have a ring light. Look at me.
Is it any good?
Well, I haven't tested it yet. I'm just trying to remove all these foams. Itlog ang ating ulam tonight, guys. So, meron akong itlog dyan. Nilagyan ko siya ng cream. Yung pinakamurang cream yung kinuha namin kasi konti lang yung kailangan namin. Dami pang natira, oh. And then, tomatoes, onions, tapos yung bacon ko. It's cooking. So, kinat ko lang siya na maliliit. Tapos, lulutuin ko siya. Tapos, kapag malapit na siya maluto, kukunin ko siya from there. And then, lutuin ko yung egg kasama ng lahat. So, yes, yan yung ating ulam. Yum! Ganyan na yung itsura ng ulam natin, guys. Hindi sana ganyan yung plano ko. Yung plano ko, yung ano siya, parang, ano tawag dun? Hindi naka-scramble na ganyan. Parang ano lang siya, omelette na merong ganyan. Kaya lang, gusto ko na maluto talaga ng maayos yung ano, yung tomato at saka yung onion. So, inako siya, minix-mix ko siya. Meron siyang onions, kamatis, at saka bacon, and egg with cream. Yan yung ulam namin tonight. Tapos si Dan, ubusin niya yung aking salad from lunch. So, ito merong pork, noodles, tapos may mga veggies, yummers, and then yung rice. Malapit na siya maluto. Malapit na. Dinner is good, guys. Really good, babe?
Delicious.
He mixed it all up. It's good. It looks like a fried rice. Tingnan niyo itong ginawa na Dan. We are Port Adelaide. They watched footy here yesterday kasama yung ano niya, kaibigan niya. Ito yung kaibigan niya, cross border. So nilagay niya dito para inisin yung kaibigan niya. Sa lounge. What was his reaction when he saw this?
He didn't care.
He didn't care. Yung aking mas natatanggal na, nagda-dry na siya. Laki na mukha ko, tignan. I will close the vlog, guys. Yung, ano ko, monkey ko, inano ko siya. Nilagay ko sa microwave yung chan niya. And it's warm now, so feels really nice. I'm gonna be hugging this tonight when I go to bed. And, yeah. Katapos ko lang mag-edit. I'm waiting for it to save. And then, matutulog na ako. Si Dan maaga gigising bukas kasi meron siyang meeting maaga. After meeting niya, babalikan niya ako dito tapos ihatid niya ako sa work. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to goodbye. Good night.